Animating Nature. In this video, I'll show you how to animate the letters of the word nature using paper cutout and natural objects. You will need a large cardboard box, scissors, crayons, pencils, paper, blue tack, any natural objects you like, a smartphone or a tablet. You will need to download Stop Motion Studio to your smartphone or tablet. You can get it on the App Store for free, or you can get the paid-for version with a few extra features. But for this animation, it doesn't matter which. You may have to ask an adult to help you. Step 1. Make a rostrum. A rostrum holds your camera so that it points down at whatever it is you're animating. This is an image of a professional rostrum. However, you don't need expensive equipment. You just need a cardboard box and a position near a window with some natural light. Take your cardboard box, remove one side of it carefully. Place white paper on the base to create a basic background. Place the phone on top with just the phone's camera over the edge. Mark its position on the cardboard box with tape or felt tip pen so that you know where it goes. Step 2. Set up your background. Look through the camera and make sure you can see where the edges of your background are. You can mark the edges lightly on the paper with a pencil if you like. You won't be able to see anything outside of these edges on the finished film, so make sure all the action takes place inside of them. When you are making your animation, make sure all the main things you want to be seen are in the centre of the frame. Animating. Here's how to use Stop Motion Studio. Open up Stop Motion Studio. Select New Movie. Place the phone or tablet in the right position on your rostrum. To take your first picture, press the red button. Use onion skinning to see the last picture you took. This will help you to make your animation smooth. If you make a mistake, click on the frame you want to remove and press Delete. Look at the frame rate. The frame rate is how many pictures it takes to make 1 second of animation. For this animation, set it to 12 to 15 frames per second. This means that for every 1 second of animation you create, you will have to take between 12 and 15 pictures. For this project, you can do anything from 3 seconds up to 30 seconds. It's up to you. So 3 seconds would be 36 pictures. 30 seconds would be 360 pictures. If you take lots of pictures of your objects moving a little bit at a time, your animation should be nice and smooth. But if you only take 1 or 2 pictures for a sequence of movement, it will look jumpy and won't create the illusion of movement. We're going to animate each letter of the word nature individually. N, A, T, U, R, E. create some colourful textured paper to cut out your letters with. Use crayons, pencils and pens to colour in a sheet of paper and cut out each letter of the word nature in big letters. Collect up any natural objects you want to use. You can use natural objects such as flowers and leaves to animate in the same way that you would use paper or card. Use blue tack to keep things in place. You could create each letter out of natural objects. You could make them appear gradually on the screen. You could break them apart and bring them back together again. You could do each one in a different style if you like. When you've finished, click the top left arrow. Select your project. Click the share icon. Select Export Movie. Send your finished animation to elly@moston.org.